How Industrial IoT is changing manufacturing forever. Welcome to Top Tier Insights, your go-to channel for breakthrough technologies and powerful trends shaping our future. In today's video, we're diving deep into one of the most transformative forces in the modern industrial world, the Industrial Internet of Things, or IoT. What is Industrial IoT? At its core, Industrial IoT is the use of connected devices and smart sensors to collect, analyze, and communicate data across manufacturing processes. These devices form a network that bridges the physical world of machines and the digital world of data and decision-making. 2. Real-time data and visibility. One of the first and most profound changes IIoT brings to manufacturing is all real-time visibility. Traditionally, factory operators had to rely on manual reports, periodic checks, and delayed insights. 3. Predictive maintenance. In traditional factories, equipment maintenance often follows a calendar schedule or occurs only when a machine breaks down. But breakdowns are costly. They halt production and sometimes damage goods or other machinery. 4. Smarter supply chains. IoT is revolutionizing the supply chain as well. Manufacturers can track raw materials, monitor inventory in real time, and automatically reorder supplies when stock levels drop below a certain point. 5. Energy efficiency and sustainability. Another major impact of IIoT is in promoting energy-efficient manufacturing. For example, IIoT-enabled HVAC systems in a factory can adjust temperature and airflow based on real-time environmental and occupancy data. 6. Quality control and defect detection. IIoT also supports enhanced quality control. Cameras, thermal sensors, and vibration detectors placed along the production line continuously inspect products and components. If any anomaly is detected, such as a measurement slightly out of tolerance, it can trigger an alert or automatically remove the item from the line. 7. Human-machine collaboration. Despite the rise of automation, IoT doesn't eliminate the human workforce. It enhances it. Workers on the shop floor now use wearable devices or mobile dashboards that give them instant access to data, instructions, and alerts. 8. Industrial robotics and automation. Thanks to IIoT, industrial robots are becoming smarter and more interconnected. Instead of working in isolation, robots now coordinate with each other and with human workers. They adapt in real time to changes in workflow, unexpected issues, or custom production requests. 9. Enhanced safety. Worker safety is a top priority in industrial environments. IIoT helps in this area by using sensors to detect hazardous conditions like gas leaks, overheating, or machinery malfunctions. 10. Data-driven decision-making. With all the data that IIoT devices generate, companies can now move beyond gut feelings and outdated reports. Advanced analytics and AI algorithms help convert raw data into actionable insights. 11. Remote monitoring and control. IoT enables remote management of production systems. Plant managers and engineers no longer have to be on site to monitor operations. 12. Challenges and cybersecurity concerns. While the benefits of IIoT are massive, the transition isn't without challenges. One major concern is cybersecurity. As factories become more connected, they also become potential targets for cyber attacks. 13. The future of IIoT in manufacturing. Looking ahead, IIoT is set to become even more advanced. With the rise of 5G, the speed and responsiveness of IIoT networks will improve dramatically. Thanks for watching Top Tier Insights, where innovation meets understanding.